bro.
Fuck! Stop it! Shots fired. Officer needs help.
What's my own?
Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Right now! Get on the ground!
Get on the air! Oh, fuck! Fucking damn it!
These are the moments when cops face dangerous criminals. Let's begin with case 1, where a man armed with a handgun in Los Angeles, he got into a violent altercation and fired at a man before police intervened. On July 10, 2025, Los Angeles. It's early evening, around 6:20 p.m. The suspect is 63 years old James Tullis, carrying a handgun. When officers from the LAPD's 77th Street Division Gang Enforcement Detail are out on patrol, as their unit cruises along Crenshaw Boulevard, they spot something unusual. A man steps out of a parked vehicle. That man is 63-year-old James Tullis, and he's carrying a handgun. At first, we see a man and a woman walking toward Tullis's parked car. What began as just a normal argument quickly escalated into a heated confrontation. In the CCTV footage, you can clearly see the victim shouting at Tullis, almost daring him to step out of his car. Instead of calming things down, Tullis made a reckless choice. He responded not with words, but with a gun. As soon as Tullis stepped out, the passenger sitting inside his car got scared and fled the scene immediately, leaving him alone. Tullis then grabbed the victim and pointed the weapon directly at him. Witnesses say it looked like he was just seconds away from pulling the trigger. But right then, police officers arrived at the scene. Instead of surrendering, Tullis opened fire at them. The shot echoes through the street, and in that instant, an officer-involved shooting unfolds. Officers return fire, striking Tullis and bringing him down.
Yeah, I'm good too. Hey, you got him right there?
Hey, partner, you good? Hey, stay right there. Hey, he's taking off.
Black Honda Civic 8.
Hey, don't reach for it. Hey, hey, put it out. I got him. Put that out. Put that out. I got him. Man, leave him alone.
Even after the exchange of gunfire, officers move in, not to celebrate, but to render aid. They apply medical treatment until Los Angeles fire paramedics arrive. But despite every effort, Tullis is pronounced dead at the scene. Later investigation revealed how quickly this encounter escalated. It started with a verbal argument, turned into a fight, and then ended with gunfire. Miraculously, the intended victim walked away unharmed. No officers or civilians were injured. The handgun, recovered and logged as evidence, showed just how close the situation came to a tragedy. Since he died, no charges were filed. 3 days later, another bizarre and dangerous scene unfolds in Los Angeles. On July 13, 2025, when officers respond to a 911 call, received a shocking report. A man had stopped his car in the middle of a busy intersection and was swinging a giant machete at innocent pedestrians. It's 9:10 a.m., the caller reporting from heart of downtown Los Angeles.
City 911 operator 477.
Yes, I'm calling because there is a guy on Figueroa and Olympic. There is a guy with a machete on it and with a training people, stopping the traffic, and he's training people to kill him. And he's in a black Mustang. I think it's a black Mustang, but I don't have to get away. But he's screaming right now and training people to that.
Is he white or Hispanic or Asian?
It looks like an Indian, but it's important that he parked his car in the middle of the street, and he has a machete.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
It's a gray. It's kind of a brown shirt.
Brown shorts and what color shirt?
Yeah, and he has short and he has some. Oh my God! Hold on. Well, he's moving now. He's moving now to the. Oh my God!
Right there, left. Oh fuck! No. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stand by. No, partner. Go one space. Stand by. Stand by. Get in, bro. Get in. Go. Get in. All right, we're good. Follow him because of the fucking pets.
Stand by.
Follow him because of pets.
Stand by, Mike. Stand by.
Drop it!
Stand by. Get in. Get in the car. Get in.
Fuck. Stop! Stop, bro! Shoot! Stop, bro! Fucking shoot!
When officers arrived, they saw 36-year-old Gurpreet Singh standing in the middle of the road, armed with a blade nearly 2 feet long. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, Singh refused. He held his ground, his machete gleaming in the sunlight, as bystanders watched in fear. Moments later, Singh walked back to his car. Instead of surrendering, he picked up a water bottle and hurled it toward the officers, mocking their authority. He then jumped into his vehicle, revved the engine, and sped away, waving the machete out of the driver's side window like a deranged warning to anyone in his path.
Get in! Hey, pursuit!
Alright, he's in the car now, loading up his driver, and he's on the go southbound on Figueroa.
Wanna show me in pursuit? Figueroa, south of 11th. On that vehicle, it's gonna be a black Charger. Stand by for the plate.
I mean, I will be secondary to pursuit.
29, it's gonna be for an ADW on appeal.
21 with 30 pursuit.
Hey, airship, take my air, please.
Stand by, Mike. Stand by.
He's going
around, he's going around.
My side, my side, my side, my side.
Stand by, stand by.
Just south of... Alright, just tried to wrap another officer.
Stand by.
And, what's the...
Stand by, stand by, stand by.
The chase was on. Singh drove erratically through downtown streets, nearly striking pedestrians, and at one point even collided with a police cruiser. It was clear, this man had no intention of stopping peacefully. Finally, near Figueroa Street and 12th Street, Singh screeched his car to a halt. Officers cautiously approached, but in a split second, Singh flung open the door, still armed, and charged directly at them. The officers had no choice. In fear for their lives and the lives of the public, they opened fire.
Stand by. Crossfire, bro.
Fuck!
Stand back! Stand by, stand by! Stand by, Mike! Crossfire, bro.
Fuck!
Stop! Stop, Breakdown!
Shots fired, officer needs help.
I'll be there, arrest him, and you have a taser.
I got taser, I got taser.
Okay, alright, you guys ready to approach?
Ready for approach?
Moving.
Moving forward.
Hey, don't move, bro. Yeah, don't move. Don't move.
Singh was struck by multiple rounds and collapsed on the pavement. Within minutes, paramedics rushed him to a local hospital for treatment. The weapon, a 2-foot machete, was recovered at the scene. Thankfully, no officers or civilians were hurt during the incident. But this case serves as a terrifying reminder of how quickly a city street can turn into a war zone when a dangerous suspect refuses to put down his weapon. Likely charges after recovery: assault with a deadly weapon, for swinging machete at pedestrians, plus charging officers, resisting arrest, reckless driving, felony evading police because of the pursuit, battery on a police officer, colliding with police cruiser. Starting to our third case, which at first glance seemed like just another routine high-speed chase. But hidden behind this pursuit was something that truly shocked the officers involved. On August 17, 2025, responding to a 911 call about a reckless motorcyclist speeding dangerously through Michigan streets, police officers quickly found themselves caught in one of the most chaotic pursuits of the summer. The suspect was later identified as 37-year-old Corey Herrick, a man from Fenton, Michigan. But Herrick wasn't just running from a speeding ticket. He had far darker secrets to hide. The moment's officer warned Herrick to stop his vehicle, but he refused. Instead, he pushed his motorcycle to extreme speeds, clocking in at over 100 miles per hour, weaving recklessly through traffic and across multiple jurisdictions.
Here, westbound.
As the chase intensified, officers coordinated with surrounding departments, trying to box him in. But the suspect showed no signs of slowing down. Each passing mile turned the roads into a high-risk battleground between law enforcement and a man desperate to escape. Eventually, his luck ran out. Near a parking lot in Flint, the suspect lost control and crashed his motorcycle. But the danger didn't end there. Clutching his injuries, he scrambled to his feet and tried to run. Along the way,
You better stop! Right now! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Right now! Get on the ground! Get your hands up, fucker! Get him out now! Do not move, you understand me?
Yeah, I got a broken collar.
I don't give a shut your mouth. The matter with you? Driving like a
Officers saw him discarding methamphetamine and even a handgun, a desperate attempt to rid himself of evidence. But within moments, he was surrounded and tackled to the ground. Actual charges police sought: possession of controlled substances, meth, second offense; fleeing and eluding police, third-degree felony; resisting, obstructing a police officer; carrying a concealed weapon. 6 additional weapons charges, likely unlawful possession, intent to distribute, firearm during felony, etc. This guy is facing serious prison time because it's multi-felony plus repeat drug offense. Now let's jump into our last case. And without a doubt, this one turned out to be the most dangerous of them all. What started as a simple call for a suspicious person in Houston quickly spiraled into a life-or-death shootout that left both an officer and the suspect wounded. On the evening of July 17, 2025, Houston police officers responded to a 911 call about a suspicious person armed with a weapon. The suspect was reported to be walking erratically in the middle of the road near the 10500 block of Maikoa Road.
Put your hands in the air!
As officers approached the scene, they quickly spotted a man matching the description. That man was later identified as 36-year-old Bobby Jose Alvarado. The moment officers stepped out of their patrol car, the situation escalated in an instant. Without warning, Alvarado opened fire.
Shots fired, shots fired. Roll your head, set the gas. Clear. Alright, put the tourniquet on me. That's fair. Units get to 1304 now. Get behind the car, get behind the car. Yeah, we need an ambulance.
Put your hands in the air! Oh! Fuck! Fuck, he shot me, god damn it! Officer shot. $13.04, I am shot, but I'm up and moving. God.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Roll your man.
Hey! Tourniquet, tourniquet, tourniquet. 13-deal. All right, putting the tourniquet on me. All right, here. Tie that shit up on me. Yeah, go high. Yep.
What direction is he going?
He's down, ain't he? Oh, here he is. I'm it. 13-4, hold there. Pop the trunk, it ain't open. Put your hands in the air! Put your hands in the air! Fuck, you got me, goddamn! Hey, I got a tourniquet.
Alright, putting the tourniquet on me. That's clear. You need to get to 1304 now.
Get behind the car, get behind the car. Yeah, we need an ambulance. We got officer down. I'm bleeding like the son of a bitch.
That's clear, that's clear.
Tourniquet, man.
Striking one of the officers, Sergeant P. George, who had served the Houston Police Department since 1997.
All right, here. Tie that shit up on me.
Even after being shot, officers did not hesitate to perform life-saving measures on both Sergeant George and Alvarado. Emergency responders soon arrived, rushing both men to nearby hospitals. Miraculously, both the officer and Alvarado survived the encounter and were reported in stable condition. Sergeant George was later released after treatment, while Alvarado was placed under guard.
Who's got glove up? Who's got gloves?
I am.
All right, we need one more with gloves.
One more with gloves?
Whoa. We need one more with gloves.
I got it.
Move up with the shield. Whoever's got gloves is going to detain him. Mendez, when we start moving, lower your gun, please.
I got it.
All right. Yes, just move it out of the way. All right. You're not clear for now. All right, we got 2 people on gloves.
Yeah.
Detain them. I'll grab the cover. All right.
Fine, yeah, detain him.
Yep. Move it up. Coming up on the right.
The sound of gunfire tore through the quiet street as officers scrambled for cover. But instead of retreating, they returned fire, striking Alvarado and bringing the violent exchange to an end.
Step up, step up, step up. All right.
Yeah.
We're taking the suspect into custody right now.
The legal consequences for Alvarado, however, were severe. He was charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault of a peace officer in the 487th State District Court. This harrowing shootout highlights just how quickly a routine call can turn into a deadly encounter, testing the bravery and split-second decision-making of the officers on the ground. 36-year-old Bobby Jose Alvarado now faces 2 counts of aggravated assault of a peace officer in the 487th State District Court. Each count carries heavy penalties, and given that both officers were directly targeted by gunfire, the case against Alvarado is expected to be severe. What began as a single 911 call about a suspicious man with a weapon has now left him facing years behind bars.